Shalom. First and foremost, like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Bakarkadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching His word truthfully and sincerely, and shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And I say shalom to you, Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out. And this is a news article from the JerusalemPost.com by Reuters, published April 17, 2023. And it reads, a 5.7 magnitude earthquake struck southern Indonesia, the EMSC. A 5.7 magnitude earthquake struck southern Sumatra, if I pronounced that right, Indonesia region, according to the EMSC. And this is the book of 2nd Ezra, chapter 9, verse 3 of the Apocryphal Holy Scriptures, and it reads, therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars in the people of the world, right, that's what we are seeing, the increase of the earthquakes in diverse places. So, as the Holy Scriptures has mentioned, we're going to see an increase of the earthquakes in diverse places. Now we're starting to see them now so more than ever. We're seeing them more often now, with these earthquakes. And, these earthquakes are going to continue to increase and being shown forth, throughout the whole world. And that's what we've been seeing, a definitely increasing uptick of high magnitudes of earthquakes in diverse places. I'm going to bring out the book of Luke 21, verse 11. Salakia, that's the wrong verse. Go to the next verse. To the previous verse. This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, and it reads through the Holy Scriptures. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence, and fearful sights and great signs shall that be from heaven. Right, so, and, the main objective of this lesson, is the earthquakes. So, like I mentioned again, you're going to continue to see a high increase of magnitudes of earthquakes, the high magnitudes of numbers from the scale from 5.0 all the way potentially to 7.1 and 7.2, even potentially a 7.3 or 7.4. Now, in previous years, you've been seeing a high increase in earthquakes, but we're definitely gonna see that potentially increase again in the latter days as we continue to see the increasing rise of these earthquakes in diverse places. The high magnitudes of these earthquakes in diverse places around the world. So it's going to continue to increase. And we've definitely been seeing historical earthquakes definitely in the year 2023 so far. So we're definitely going to continue to see them increase and rise, as the days progresses on. So we're definitely going to continue to see more increasing earthquakes like never before, in history. These historical increasing high magnitudes of these earthquakes in diverse places. As this was recorded, of a 5.7 magnitude of an earthquake. And I believe I would say like for the previous weeks, you've definitely been seeing increases of earthquakes over there in Indonesia, definitely for sure. Because you had the magnitude scale of earthquakes as of recently over there in Indonesia. I would say it was been like a 5.5, 5.7, 5.9, 6.0, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, even a 6.5. But as of previously, of this year of 2023, as I've been covering and doing sit down lessons in regards to the earthquakes, especially that area over there in Indonesia. Because I believe, I would say like 2 days ago, the main island over there in Indonesia, I believe it got hit with a 6.0 earthquake. Because I remember I did a lesson on that about 2 days ago. Because the main island over there in Indonesia got hit with an earthquake. I believe it was like a 6.1 or 6.0, I believe for sure. But that shows you, the increasing of these earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying. I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Bakar Kadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching this word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.